So element 2, once we've looked at the background as to the MRA, we then start to look at the actual regional qualification framework and the skills recognition system. So we look at what does the CATC involve? What are all the different toolboxes we have? What are all the different qualifications that are available? And then we look at the packaging rules when we're deciding on qualifications. As we can find in the 6 labour divisions, there are a number of qualifications allocated to each labour division, and each qualification has its own title, its own name. Then we look at the different packaging rules. So how do we go about developing qualifications? So under each of the qualifications, there are rules about which common toolboxes that need to be included, and also what are ones that we can select as well. So when we look at packaging rules refers to the minimum amount of toolboxes that need to be included in each qualification. So this includes a mixture of core or generic competencies that are found across most qualifications. So they apply to topics such as communication, working with colleagues and customers, and then we look at functional competencies. So the toolboxes that are applied specifically to that qualification and that skill set as well.
We were given a set of core and generic competencies, which form the foundation of each qualification. Now, we are working on the tour operation labor division, and we were tasked to do a certificate 3 for tour guides. So we were requested to select a total of 10 additional competencies from the travel agency division side, out of which were supposed to come out from the tour guide services cluster. Then we had 2 additional from other clusters like customer service, marketing, ticketing. And then we were given 2 free choice competencies. So if we add them all together, we had 17 core and generic, and then a total of 14 additional, which we were tasked to select. And of course, because different participants selected different competencies, when we added the nominal hours, we ended up with different durations. So we were assigned to do an assessment of one element, and within that element, a performance criteria. And because we have to select the method of assessment, oral questions, written question, observation, and so forth and so on, there's going to be some variance in the assessment process from each participant.